Today we are going to learn how to solve for the mean or standard deviation given the other value and a probability statement on the NumWorks graphing calculator. To begin, enter the distributions application. From the list of probability distributions, select normal. On this screen, we are prompted to input a mean and standard deviation. If we want to solve for one of these values, we need to leave the field empty. For example, let's input a mean of 120 and remove the standard deviation. Simply press the delete button to remove the value and press execute or OK. Navigate down to next and press OK. Notice that our curve has not been computed because important information still needs to be inputted. In order to calculate the standard deviation, input the provided probability statement. For example, maybe we know the probability that x is less than or equal to 124 is 75%. Press OK to compute the missing standard deviation and to have a visual of the probability drawn. For more tutorials, visit numworks.com.